Hello friends, how to engage employees in the lockdown? I asked this question from various guests who came to my show HR by Nature. These guests were from different sectors and different functions of the corporate world. Functions like HR, finance, IT, and sectors like insurance, IT, and retail. So I'll give you a gist of what they have said. Basically, employee engagement can be done in two parts in this lockdown period. First part will be to take care of their well-beings, and the second part would be to channelize their energies. Talking about the well-beings, there are three well-beings that we have to take care of. That will be emotional well-being, physical well-being, and financial well-being. To cater to the emotional and the physical well-being, we have to keep calling them the employees. We have technology and we have to leverage that technology. So we have to keep doing the conference calls, we have to keep doing the video calls. We can give these calls to the employees through their managers, through their HODs, or through HR team. This way what will happen, we can ask them the questions like if they are fine or not, if they need anything else, if they are stuck in some kind of problem. So that way we'll be able to help them. We'll connect with them and we'll get to know about their real problems and we'll be able to solve that immediately. Coming to the financial well-being, what organizations are doing is they are trying to give some advance salaries to their employees. Advance salaries in the means salaries in advance. That means one of the organizations I came to know gave the salaries on 22nd of March, in the month of March. They gave their salaries on 25th of April, in April, and in the month of May they are going to do the same thing. Another organization has given the flexi benefits to the organization, to the employees. Generally flexi benefits are given once the bills are submitted. Here the organization has asked them to submit the bills by the month of December, but they have already given the flexi benefits to those employees. Now coming to the channelizing their energies. To channelize the energies, we have to give enough work to the employees so that they are engaged throughout. We have to involve them in different projects which they have not worked upon earlier. So that way their energies will be channelized. Second, they have to stay connected with their HODs, with their managers, so that there is no room of anything that grows negative. So that is all from my side. Thank you.